Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make an easy and tasty ombre cupcakes. To make these ombre cupcakes, I have taken some butter in a bowl. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. Only then your cupcakes will be nice and soft and you will be able to beat nicely. So beat the butter for about 1 minute and then you can start adding the sugar. I am using powdered sugar. As you beat the butter and sugar, pause in between and scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl so that everything gets incorporated well. Once you beat the butter and sugar for about 2 minutes, you can add the eggs. We are using 2 eggs for this recipe. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Add 1 egg at a time and beat it for 2 minutes till it's light and fluffy. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and beat that in too. Next we are going to add some milk. This is about 3 tablespoons of milk. Add the milk in and mix it well. All these makes our wet ingredients. Next we can start preparing the dry ingredients. For this I have taken some all-purpose flour or maida in a bowl. I have given all the ingredients list in the description box. You can check that out. To the maida add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and some salt. Mix this all together so that all the 3 ingredients are well mixed. Now place a sieve over the bowl and add all the dry ingredients onto the sieve and sieve this mixture well into the bowl. Once you sieve it in, use a spatula to combine the wet and the dry ingredients. Don't over mix the batter. You can use a beater if you want, but don't over mix the batter. If you want your cupcakes to be soft, then beat only till it's combined. My batter seemed a little dry, so I added 1 tablespoon of milk and mixed it well. Your batter should be smooth and soft like this without any lumps. It should not be dry. So till you get this kind of consistency, you can add milk. You can add about 1 to 2 tablespoons and mix the batter till you get this kind of a loose consistency. Now separate this vanilla cake batter into 3 separate bowls. Divide it equally among the 3 bowls. And then to the first bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. To the second bowl, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now to the first bowl in which we added 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, add 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 tablespoon of sugar to the first bowl. Now we can start mixing each bowl. So this bowl which has 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder will make the darkest layer. The next bowl in which we added only 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder will give us the second chocolate layer. Leave the third bowl free. It's going to make our white layer, the vanilla cake layer. Next take a muffin tray and line it with paper liners like these. You can make 6 or 8 cupcakes out of this batter. Then preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we can start to fill the paper liners. Take the darkest layer of chocolate cake batter and place about 1 tablespoon in each of the liners and tap the pan well so that it spreads well. Then start adding the next layer, the lighter colored chocolate batter. Add 1 tablespoon of that batter. Spread it nicely using the back of a spoon and then tap the pan on the counter so that the batter spreads evenly. Then take the last layer, the white layer, vanilla cake layer, and place 1 tablespoon each on top of the chocolate batter and spread it well. I have overfilled my paper liners by making only 6 cupcakes. You can make 8 or 9 out of it. Add a little bit less in each liner and you can make at least 8 or 9. Tap the muffin tray on the counter so that all the batter is spread evenly. And now you can bake in the preheated oven for about 22 to 25 minutes. Each oven is different. My oven took about 25 minutes to bake these cupcakes. You can start checking after 20 minutes itself. Put a skewer in. If the skewer comes out clean, then your cupcakes are done. If not, bake for a little longer. So this is it. A very easy and simple ombre cupcakes are done. Now let's cut these cupcakes and see. Once you cut, you can see the 3 distinct layers clearly. This is a very soft cupcakes. It tastes so rich and so tasty. I have already posted an ombre butter cake recipe. If you prefer baking one single cake like this instead of multiple cupcakes, then you can go for this recipe. This is also a very soft and delicious cake. I will give the link to this ombre butter cake recipe in the description box. If you're interested, you can check that out. So whether you like a vanilla cake or a chocolate cake, having a mix of both in one single cupcake is a treat to eat. You can bake these for an evening snacks, or if you're visiting someone, you can bake these and take it as a gift. If you want, you can make an ombre frosting and frost these cupcakes beautifully. So do try it out. Until next time, bye-bye.